Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace tire pressure sensor Ford Explorer full guide. Begin by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and removing the wheel lug nuts one turn. Lift the vehicle safely with a jack and support with jack stands. Remove the wheel to access the valve stem and TPMS sensor. Keep parts organized and work at a steady, careful pace to avoid damaging the new sensor. Follow these removal steps to take out the old TPMS sensor safely and smoothly. First, deflate the tire completely and break the bead using a tire machine or hand tools. Remove the valve core and unbolt the sensor retaining nut, then gently push the sensor assembly out through the rim. Clean the mounting area and inspect the rim for damage or corrosion that might affect the new sensor seating or sealing. Install the replacement sensor carefully and ensure a proper seal so no slow leaks occur. Hand thread the sensor nut, then torque to factory specifications to prevent damage. Reseat the tire bead on the rim and inflate to the recommended pressure found in the door placard. Finally, use a TPMS programming tool or the vehicle relearn procedure to register the new sensor to the Ford Explorer so the dash warning light.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.